my name is Shweihninzy, and look who's back! It's the Jen!
Hi.
I hope you followed Buttons on Instagram. You better. Today we have a Dolls Kill haul. You guys, when I found out Dolls Kill wanted to collaborate with me, I freaked out and I was like, I can't handle their fashion.
You said that to me,
like,
and you said
style.
like Dolls Kill reached out to me. Do you want to help? And I was
I was like, I can't do
what?
this. No, Dolls Kill is like so her style, and I was so excited to share this collaboration with her. You're welcome. So we've got a couple things from them to try, and yeah, let's dive in. The elephant in the room. The first outfit that is like the first piece here.
This is really, really, really cute. It's just really, really, really tight and small.
I don't know if you noticed like with their sizing.
It's weird because these shorts are small and I fit them perfectly, and like I can fit size 0 clothes, but I can't fit this. It's so tight and it's so small and it's just really restricting. I got it on once. There's a video of that.
Yeah.
But even then I could not move in it, and after eating I can't wear it. Yeah, it doesn't fit.
It's really cute.
But it's really cute. It's just very stiff. And yeah.
So yeah, definitely size up with this. And this is from Current Mood too. I know they have a bunch of different like brands that Dolls Kill carries. So a lot of the stuff I think is from Current Mood and like of other different brands and stuff. So that's the first thing she got. And you want to show the shorts as well.
And then these were the shorts. They were also a size small, but these fit perfectly.
So cute.
They've got these thingies. What are they called? Garters? Like,
oh, I guess so. Yeah, I guess they're
like,
garters.
Like attached garters that are sparkly. They're so cute. These fit perfectly, and the pockets are huge, which is a great thing. So I love these a lot.
Let's see. I got 2 accessory things. So, oh my gosh, you guys, Ariana Grande. I'm going to their concert. My boo thing got me the concert tickets, and I'm so excited. But it got rescheduled, and I was like,
did it?
Yeah, it got rescheduled to July, from April to July. And I was like, why? I said, by the time we go to this next concert, a whole nother album's gonna come out. And then literally a couple days later, she announced that she's coming out with another album, which is coming out in February.
Go from the store to the booth, make it all back in one loop. Give me the loot, ain't no budget when I'm on the set. If I like it, then that's what I get.
Yeah. So I got this little, what do you call this? My mind just blanked. This bag. It's like a fanny pack bag, but it's like in the front. It's really, really nicely made. Like these are metal, like clips.
Is that the one that goes over your body?
Yeah, and this one like goes on top of your body.
I really like that one on you.
And I got this fanny pack as well. This is actually for my mother. She was like, I need a fanny pack, and I was like, girl, I got you. So this is really cute. So she wanted like a nice substantial fanny pack. So this is really, really nice as well.
The next thing I got were these shoes.
Dolls Kill has amazing shoes, you guys.
They're beautiful. I love these shoes so much. I wear them every day and I can't take them off. Not because they're stuck on. They fit perfectly. They're so cute, and they're really comfy after you break them in, and oh my gosh, they're blinding, but in the best way ever. I love them.
You wear Doc Martens too.
Yeah.
So how would you compare those to like those kind of boots?
After you break them in, they'd be like almost the same comfort level. This one, it's a little thicker than Doc Martens, so it's not as comfy, but it's still comfortable.
Okay.
Yeah.
Would you say the sizing is true to size as far as?
Sizing, it's just a little bit tight, but still fits pretty well. I would say if you ordered it, order probably like a half size up.
Well, that's good to know. They have, like, Dolls Kill is known for like their crazy shoes. Like
these shoes are insane.
Oh my gosh, they're so cool. People who can rock those, like for real. Oh my gosh, that's gonna be so loud, I know. Okay, so these, I got a jacket that I'm wearing on here. This other teddy bear with little like finger hole. Oh my gosh, I love this. And the inside says fake as. But this is so warm. I was sweating. I just wore this like a couple months ago with a black t-shirt, and I was sweating, and it was freezing outside.
That's crazy.
So it's very warm. And I got this other jacket here with this kind of pink
That one's really
That
cute
same.
on you.
It's
I
cute.
like that one on you.
It's huge. This is a small. This is a small. Like their sizing is kind of, and then I got a medium and a small and some other things, and it's just kind of, I don't know.
They're
Look at
just
the
kind of
dimensions.
different. For like different items, the sizings are different.
Yeah. Gosh, so I kind of mixed and matched these two pieces. So it's like a sequined set, and then this little like sweat pant like thing. I'll put pictures because I don't want to put these things on, but I wore it for my birthday.
And it's so cute.
So I matched like the pants, the sequin pants with the top, and then I wore these with a different black top for another friend's
That
party.
looks so good.
These are
She
super
looks so
comfy. Company?
Company.
Company. This is a medium, I think. The sequin one is a large. So again, you kind of have to look at like the sizing for everything. But a lot of this stuff is really, really nice quality. So I definitely would recommend, I don't know.
Yeah, I like their
investing in
quality
their
a lot.
pieces.
Like with the shoes, they're amazing quality. They're like the same quality I would compare with Doc Martens.
So thank you so much to Dolls Kill. All the links to everything will be down below as well. So definitely check all that stuff out. But yeah, I'm so happy to have Jen on my channel again. We're thinking of actually swapping makeup routines.
Because I don't know how to do my makeup.
Stop, but like her eyeliner, can we just?
No, I was telling her I do just thick black lines, and then I take a makeup wipe and I go, "Tzz, tzz," and then ta-da!
Like your lines are perfect. I was like,
And that's all I do, yeah.
oh my gosh. So if you guys want that video, I think you should give this video a thumbs up. Get this video to 1,000 likes. Can you do it? Let's swap makeup routines because you know I pack on the powder. I pack on.
And she's so good at it, and I don't know what I'm doing.
Stop it.
Stop it. No.
Stop.